Okay, time for the pudding. So the pudding for Easter, following along the lines of the Easter Middle Eastern feaster. We have got some filo nests that are in like a butter and sugary, well, cooked in butter and sugar, and then that's it. We've got some labneh with some rose water in it. We've got like a sweet dukkah, and we have got some saffron, honey, and some poached rhubarb.
Is there any heating required with this pudding?
No, this is a nice easy one. So after your feast, you don't want to do anything else. You can just plate it up. So the filo bastards go on. We lost a little bit of that one, but I'll do it back in. There we go. Okay, so that's our filo nests are down. On goes our lovely sweet labneh. There we go. There we go. So just so that I can get them out easily enough.
If any of you are bored waiting at home, you can play the count how many freckles Josh has got on his right arm game.
I think that's funny. It's a bit frecklist, I'd say. And we've got the saffron honey.
Herefordshire honey.
Filling Chloe, isn't it?
Filling Chloe, yeah, buns. Delicious.